Hi guys, how's it going? Saya di Surabaya sekarang dan mau masak lagi. Jadi hari ini saya mau coba bikin ayam salted egg. Bahan-bahan untuk Bang Ben's ayam salted egg. Okay guys, I'm in the yummy studio in Surabaya today and I have a guest chef, okay, and he goes by the name of Gilang.
Hello!
Here we go.
Hi man!
Hi, how are you?
Apa kabar?
Good, yeah, bye. So basically, I am going to be speaking English today and Gilang is going to be helping us in Indonesian. So we have two languages like you always like that on the videos, okay? Me English, Indonesian, Gilang.
Yeah, siap.
Yeah. I'm going to make the chicken. So basically, guys, what you need to do first for this dish is that you need to put the ayam, the chicken, into the flour first. And make sure that you coat that chicken nicely with the flour and then into our egg.
Jadi Ben, ini kita masukin dia ke tepung dulu pertama kali, habis itu ke telur, baru yang terakhir nanti ke tepung lagi ya Ben ya?
Yeah.
Oke, sambil lalu aku mau bantu chop ya Ben ya?
Yeah, that would be great, yeah. You can chop the garlic. Okay. Garlic's done, also our breaded chicken is done, so it is now time to fry the chicken. Make sure you have nice hot oil before you attempt this.
Sebelum masuk, ayamnya pastikan minyaknya panas, dia biar lebih crispy ya Ben ya?
Yeah, lebih crispy, yeah definitely. Right, here we go. So we're going to get our chicken into the oil, yes. So I got the idea for this dish in Singapore, it's really popular. It's a mixture of Chinese food and Indian food, it's a great dish, tasty. Guys, while our chicken is cooking, I think we're going to now mix a little bit of the milk with the duck eggs. Is that okay?
Ya. Ini kita habis ini akan nyampur susu dan kuning telur. Nanti kita campur ke kuning telurnya, terus nanti kita aduk sampai dia halus. Jadi yang kita mau tuh teksturnya semacam ini. Jadi nambahin sedikit susunya.
So Gilang's got the frying pan. This is nearly done. We're going to get the garlic in there with the chili, and we're going to make a really nice sauce once our chicken has been fried, which is getting close to finishing now. Alright?
Nah ini hampir selesai ya.
Yeah.
Harus golden brown ya Ben ya.
Yeah. Golden brown. Fantastic. Crispy. Very, very close to finishing now. Super simple. Got my frying pan, penggorengan. Wait for a few moments, okay? We're going to add Mentega to begin with, okay, our butter. I'll start getting that Mentega mixed around the pan.
Jadi kita tumis dulu menteganya sampai dia mencair. Setelah itu cilinya dulu ya Ben ya, cabenya dulu yang dimasukin karena bawang putih lebih cepat gosong daripada cabenya nggak sih?
Okay, keep stirring, you don't want it to burn. Smell.
Oke, diaduk terus sampai dia harum ya Ben ya?
Yeah, lovely smell. So, I'm gonna go for these. Okay, here we go.
Jadi sekitar 1 rangkai, nanti kalian harus copotin daunnya satu-satu, habis itu baru masuk ke tumisan.
We're gonna go for our salted egg.
Yang keempat adalah kuning telur yang udah tadi kita campur sama susu. Dan Ben mau nambahin sedikit susu ya Ben ya?
Yeah, just a little bit, not too much. So looking nice and good. So turn your flame down because it's pretty much nearly ready now. I'm just gonna add a tiny bit of salt and a tiny bit of pepper as well to get it. Put it into there, we're going to mix it all around.
Nah kalau bumbunya udah kental berarti kita masukin ayamnya kan ya?
Iya, iya.
Terus baru diaduk lagi.
Oh, you can smell it. It's the smell of duck eggs with that curry leaf as well. Yeah, awesome.
Aromanya aroma India ya?
Okay, now, just on a normal plate. I like the colours with this dish. It's that golden kind of egg yolk with the green, and then our red with the chili as well.
Di atasnya dikasih hiasan-hiasan kali ya Ben ya.
And here we go, mine and Gilang's finished ayam salted egg.
Ayam saus telur asin.
Thank you. Ini sudah selesai dan mau coba in. Okay, so we finished it.
Selesai.
Selesai, awesome, finished. So,
Kita akan cobain.
that's it. I'm gonna try. Here we go as well. Yeah, I'm gonna get a bit of that curry leaf on. Some of the chili looks awesome. Here we go.
Ini bilang harus ada daunnya ya.
Yeah.
Ya nggak sih Ben?
Ready to go. Yeah, get the Daun curry.
Kita cobain.
I really enjoy that.
Enak banget, Ben.
So rich, right? It's got so many good taste in it. I love the richness of the egg sauce. So it's super rich. Definitely salty because you're using salted duck eggs. A little bit spicy. Sedikit spicy. Sedikit it is. Really, really good. So easy for you to cook at home. If you like your salted egg dishes, there you go. Proper easy. You can cook it anywhere.
Oke, ini rasanya berarti ini ya Ben, apa? Kaya gitu ya. Sedikit pedas, tapi nggak terlalu pedas juga. Jadi semua orang aku pikir bisa makan ya Ben ya.
Yeah.
Terus kalau mau yang resepnya mudah ini rekomendasi banget buat kita. Nanti kita tontonin di YouTube-nya Ben. Nanti resepnya ada di sini ya Ben, segala macam. Jadi harus
I have the recipe on YouTube, problems in the description box with the whole recipe. Thanks for watching my video. Comment below if you would like me to cook anything new. Also, any advice you need for cooking, the comment section is where you do that as well. Like, subscribe, and I shall see you on my next video. A big, big, big thank you to everybody from Yummy, including
Thank you, Ben.
There's lots of people behind the scenes you can't see behind the camera, but thanks ever so much for the Yummy crew. It's been fantastic in Surabaya. I really, really enjoyed it. Tried some great food. So thanks ever so much, and I shall see you all on my next video. See you later.
Bye.
Bye.